Today I'm working on this massive key fob by Jeep. This is for a 2026 Wrangler, but I believe they're using the same key fob all the way back to 2018, and also for the Jeep Gladiator. So let's pop into this and get it open. So I would recommend using a plastic trim tool like this, because otherwise you are just going to chew up this edge using something like this screwdriver. Now you do need this to get the battery out once we get inside. But if we take this and we go in this right here, there's that little slot that you can fit a screwdriver in. You'll get your first click right there, and that starts to crack it open. Now your second little clip that's holding on is here, and then your next one is here. And this does take a surprising amount of force. And if you hit the clip right there, push down, you can see where I am, probably about pretty close to that corner. But if you hit that, I'll show you once I get it off. It just pops right, and you don't have to pry super, super hard. And our next clip is right here on this corner. Boom. There it is. So this is definitely a finesse job. Once you get those done, the rest come off easy. But that's the little guy. If you push right on that and you click right there, it just pops. Not a ton of force. This one's a little harder, but get as close as you can and pop, and then the rest come off. Then we're gonna go here. This is where we need our screwdriver. We have a little indent there. This is a CR 2450 battery. I'll put a link in the description for that part. And you slide your screwdriver into here like so. You're putting force, you're prying, and then you're peeling it up like so. Boom. And our positive side is up, negative's down. If you're replacing a battery, you throw it back in like so, push in, pops right into place. Then we will take our now you're going to want to go around and pop all those things back into place. These are easy, but these on this side are a lot harder to squeeze and pop in. And you should see all the seams close up around this edge. So that's how you change a battery on a Jeep, a newer Jeep Wrangler key fob. If this is helpful, give a thumbs up, and we'll see you out there.